My name is Roy. Welcome to Maker Faire.
Yeah, dude, you're going into it. It's perfect. All you guys can help out.
But this guy takes maybe like 5 minutes. Can't guarantee that it'll work on a printer.
Oh! Yes, indeed. Sometimes that's the only way to take your opponent down is just slam him to the ground.
Maker versus the Red Baron.
Here you have Marcy, I think.
I don't know if they want to stay 5 more minutes.
To enjoy the bar.
Oh wait, no, it might.
Using this
And so
That's creepier.
I don't have the I skipped that portion.
Robot education.
2 minutes left.
You guys are pedal powering this PA system. Many monitors all powered by your legs.
Push it. Come now. In that direction. So you go like that and they're all.
like the settings so it catches more slowly.
Break a leg, break a leg, break a leg, break a leg now.
Okay, keep going. Move along. What are you looking at?